like to hear from you again regarding this egg yolk. Is it safe to take? Because people say that's dietary cholesterol, and the oil-based cholesterol is different, and so it's safe to take that. Is it safe to take egg with the yolk?
So I would say treat every person individually. If somebody has a soaring high cholesterol, okay, and you are hypercholesteremic, then restrict it to maybe 3 egg yolks in a week. So you could eat egg whites for the proteins, but restrict it to 3 egg yolks. If your cholesterol levels are normal, then you can eat the whole egg with the yolk. We are a very carb eating nation, right? So typically at breakfast, idli, upma, poha, paratha, flakes with milk is something which we've been eating over the years. So a lot of nutritionists today, especially if somebody eats an egg, say that okay, you don't give up the traditional eating pattern. If you're eating a poha or upma, eat a small bowl, but include 1 egg. Yeah. So in that way, what it does is the protein from the egg and the fat from the egg blunts the sugar levels, and so the entire sugar spike which happens doesn't go on. And also that it helps me in controlling my blood sugar level. Studies also show that if you're eating an egg for breakfast, it can satiate you much more than any other food, almost up to 36 hours. Right? So overall in the entire day when I eat my calories, hum thoda kam khayenge, which overall also helps me in weight management.